All right, so this is the last time I'm going to talk about the Pixel Fold until we get an actual concrete proof of when it's going to come out or what's going to happen. Because at this moment in time, as of 10/9 at like 4:30 in the morning here, I'm calling the Pixel Fold done. I mean, there has been rumors after rumors after rumors. It's going to come out this time. It's going to come out that time. It's going to this, and the third. It's only going to be released in China. It has a new name to it. So many rumors. And now we have a leaker who says it's going to be released Q1 of next year. So it's going to come out in March. Now, this does tie in with some rumors that Samsung is going to release another foldable phone in Q1 of next year. That's going to be a little bit different than the Z Fold series. It's actually going to be more or less a clamshell look, kind of like the Surface Duo 2. But I just can't see any of this happening. First off, yes, if they do go ahead and release a foldable phone sometime next year, that would be great. The reason why the rumors are speculating is because New York Times and other sources have confirmed that Google is going to be moving shipments of a new phone from China to Vietnam during January of next year. So that would propel itself to, okay, well, they're doing something, they're releasing something in Q1, but it's not confirmed it's going to be a Pixel Fold. Now, if we do get a Pixel Fold, it will be probably in the neighborhood of $1,300. It will have the Tensor G2 chip, and it will have a really great camera. But at the end of the day, it's going to be a Chinese exclusive phone. It's not going to sell at all in the States. So, I don't know. I don't really see why Google is waiting for this phone at this point to release this phone. You already have Android 12L. You already have the market. And now you're kind of just waiting for Vivo and Oppo to come out with their phones when you're just losing the market. So at this point, like I said before, even if it comes out, I just don't see how it might be successful. But it's going to be such an afterthought. I don't think anyone's going to care about this phone. I'll be honest with you. I don't think anybody's going to care about this phone. Google has had enough issues when it comes to their phones, with their softwares on their phones, and their phones actually acting correctly. The Pixel series, I think it was the 5A, had a bunch of problems with the updates and the updates not being correct. And then there was issues where the phones couldn't even make phone calls. I think Samsung, I keep saying Samsung, I'm thinking about Samsung right now for the Q1 of next year. Google just needs to just sit back and stop. All right. My guess is I don't think we're getting this phone. I don't think we're getting this phone. And I'm done talking about leakers, leaking this and that, because I see it and I'm like, okay, maybe this is some good information. We're going to get this phone soon. But we haven't even seen prototypes. We haven't seen any information leaked when it comes to pictures of it. And it's becoming like it's the Surface Neo, where I just don't think it's going to happen. And even if it does, I just don't know how many people is going to get behind this. Definitely tell me down below if I'm completely incorrect and you've been waiting for this device every single day, marking your calendars for when this device is going to come out. Definitely tell me down below, but I just can't see too many people absolutely going crazy about this device. I think it's going to be a device that releases and it's going to be a failure, and Google just going to sweep it under the rug and kind of move on with their life. The best thing it has going for it is getting the Tensor G2 chip. That's the best thing it has going for it, because that chip is going to be super fast. But at the same time, though, again, they're going to have to keep the price down and give us everything the Z Fold 4 has. It's just going to be another copy and paste. It really is. And I just don't think too many people, and because of it's going to be released only in China, it's not even, I know they're not internationally releasing it because they don't want to compete with Samsung or Microsoft or any other company. But it's just like, when you release it in a very strict market, you just destine yourself for failure. You know, Oppo works because Oppo is a very small company. But for Google, they can release this on a very high platform, a very, mass scale when it comes to units, that it's just going to make it kind of like, okay, they release this phone, let's go ahead and talk about another phone. And it also depends, if they make the price tag ridiculous, this phone's going to be an absolute failure anyway, because the price tag is not realistic. There's no way that this is actually going to really resonate with anybody. So there's a lot of problems going on with this. But like I said before, I wanted to make this last update video because I'm calling it done. I'm calling it done. I don't think they're going to release this phone. I think this phone, if they do release it, it won't be till like Q3 of next year. And it's going to be an absolute joke. So GG to Google. GG to the Pixel Fold. I've talked about it enough, but I just want to keep you guys updated. You already know I keep you guys updated with any tech information possible, especially around foldable phones. I do love this industry, but I gotta call it when I gotta call it, man. And it's GG. Leakers aside, peace out, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.